Welcome back to today's session. Today's session, we are going to talk about our WordPress dashboard. So, this is how WordPress dashboard looks like when you have successfully downloaded your WordPress and installed it. This is what you will see, and this is where we are going to design our website and also write the content of the website. All right, let's start with the post here that we have here. So, I will click on the post, and then it will direct me to all the posts that I have on my website so far. As it is a new website, WordPress will install or will write some content for you by default. Okay, it will write some content, some post for you, and also uh, design some pages for you, and even add certain things to it. So we are going to delete all those unnecessary things and then start our own design ourselves. So this is the post WordPress has made titled Hello World. So I can view it. I can click on the edit here to edit it, or trash it, or view it. So let me view it. So when we view, this is the content we have there. So hello world, welcome to WordPress. This is our first post. Edit or delete it, then start writing. Very good. So I will go back again to my dashboard. I'm back to my dashboard. This time around, I'll click on the box here. Okay, and then click on trash to delete it. Good. You can see that we don't have any post. No poster found. No post found. Good. I'll go back to page. Also, I'll click on pages, and we could see the different pages we have on our website: privacy policy and sample page. So I'll click on the box beside the title. As it is more than one page, I can click on this box to select all of them like this, and then it will take everything. But if I want, I can select it one after the other. I don't want to do that. I just want to work the smart way. So I come here and then click on it to select all the two pages we have on our website, and then go to bulk action, either here or the bulk action down here. Any of them is fine. So click here and then click on move to trash, and after that I'll click on apply. Good. So I've also deleted the pages over there. The next thing I would like to do is go to appearance, click on theme, and then this is by default the theme that WordPress has installed for us, but we'll not be using these three themes. So what we will do, we are going to add our own theme and then delete the three themes that we have here. This one, for example, we cannot delete like the way we deleted the posts and also the pages. You need at least a theme on your website before you can be able to delete some. So when you are even deleting, you must leave one theme. That's without that theme, the website cannot work. So I have to come here, click on add theme, and then in my search theme here in the top right corner, I'll search for Hello Elementor. Elementor. Good. Hello Elementor. Here is the theme. You could see Hello Elementor here. So I click on install, and after installing it, I will activate it. It's done installing, then I will activate it. Good. I'm done activating it. Automatically it is asking me to install Elementor, but we'll come back to this one. Let me close it. Now, as I'm done installing this my theme and activate it, you could see that we have the blue background here with customize on it. So this is telling me that this is the theme that has been activated. You can even see here, activate hello world. Here you will not see that now they are asking us to activate this one. So we don't want to activate this one. I want to delete the rest, the one WordPress has installed for us by default. So I'll click on it and then click on delete and then validate it. Okay, it's gone. Click on this one too, click on delete, and this one too is gone. And the last one, click on delete, and this one too is gone as well. So we could see that we are now left with one theme that we don't even have the delete option, because by default you must have at least one theme on your website before we can start designing. Good. So as we are done installing the hello world, now we'll go to plugins. These plugins here, Okay, the plugins are tools that allow us to add certain functionality to our website. We have plugins for WhatsApp to add a WhatsApp account, a WhatsApp number to your website. We have plugins for different purpose. Okay, so the plugin we want to use is the plugin called Elementor itself that will help us to build our website without knowing any programming languages. So I'll come here and click on add plugin. Is loading, and I will search here now Elementor Elementor plugin. So it's searching. Good. So this plugin, you could see Elementor website builder. This is what will help us now to build the website by just dragging and dropping. You could see the logo here. So I click on install now. Now my plugin Elementor is done installing. Then I'll activate it. Good. I'm done activating Elementor. Here they are asking us to create an account. I don't want to do that. I'll skip the setup. Scroll down again. Skip it. I want to skip everything. So the Elementor is now loading. I'll wait for it to finish loading. Good. Our Elementor is done loading. Good. So this is how our Elementor looks like. You could see Elementor 0 website design. So what we'll be doing now, we'll just be dragging and dropping. So when I want to use an image, I'll just come here, click on it. Okay, drag this one. If I want another one, I'll come to the plus icon here. You see, drag it. If I want to add an image, I'll come to the plus icon again, click on image, drag it, and then the image will come. I'll click on this to select the image. So basically this is what we want to do in this training, and this is the best way of designing a website without any prior knowledge in programming.